Hi everybody, welcome back to Banderita Uno. In this how-to tutorial, I'm gonna teach you how to make this beautiful bracelet. It's so simple guys, and it's really beautiful. Perfect for a present to your friend or family. Let's see the material. You're gonna need some chain, a clasp, some jumprings. You're also gonna need a charm, or you can use beads, thin wire, any type of beads. Choose the color you want. In my case, I'm using white and gold. And also our crafting tweezers. So let's see how to make it. So what we're going to do first is cut out 1.18 inches of our wire, and then into that part of the wire I'm gonna make this motion with my tweezers, which is kind of like creating a circle in there so that our beads aren't going to be able to, go out of this thing. So I'm adding the beads right now. As you can see, I put white and gold, and then into this part of our wire we are going to make the same thing with our tweezers. So doing this thing with the round tweezers is of course more simple. So once we have this part, we are going to take a jump ring, open it, and then just put it into the circle we already made of this piece of our bracelet, and then take one part of our chain and then just put it into that jump ring, and then close it with our tweezers really carefully. So now what I'm going to do is defining the middle of my bracelet and then take off that chain. So I'm going to open it really carefully, and then since we have two parts of the chain, in one part I'm going to put a jump ring with the clasp, and in the other part I'm going to add 3 chains with a jump ring and my charm, which is a little star. So as you can see here, I'm adding a jump ring into that part of the chain and then closing it, and that's the part that has the clasp. And then the other part, I'm just adding again a jump ring and then adding the chain of our bracelet and close it really carefully. Ta-da! And that's all guys, we have a beautiful bracelet. I really hope you enjoyed this tutorial as much as I did. And of course, this is going to be a really beautiful present for any family member, your friend, your best friend, your boyfriend, girlfriend, whatever. So thank you so much for watching guys, I hope you enjoy, and don't forget to like and subscribe. Mwah!